Did you know that some herbs actually grow better indoors than outside, especially in small pots? Yep, you don't need a backyard or a sunny balcony to have a fresh herb garden. Many herbs love stable indoor temperatures, soft light, and being close to the kitchen. So today, I'm sharing the top 15 herbs that thrive in pots indoors, even if you're a total beginner or have limited space. Let's get started and bring the garden inside your home. 1. Basil. Basil grows beautifully indoors when it gets bright light for at least 5 to 6 hours. It loves warmth and regular pinching. The more you harvest, the bushier it gets. Indoor basil stays tender longer compared to outdoor plants. 2. Mint. Mint is almost impossible to kill. It grows quickly even in low light, although it's happiest in bright indirect sun. Keep it in its own pot because it loves to spread. Indoor mint gives you fresh leaves all year. 3. Parsley. Parsley grows slower than basil but thrives indoors if the soil stays slightly moist. It's a great kitchen herb because you can cut it from the outer stems and it'll keep producing fresh leaves for months. 4. Cilantro. Cilantro prefers cooler indoor temperatures, around P-22 degrees Celsius. It bolts quickly outside in summer, but indoors it lasts longer. Just remember it needs regular harvesting. Young leaves taste the best. 5. Chives. Chives are one of the easiest indoor herbs. They bounce back even after heavy trimming. Their mild onion flavor is perfect for eggs and soups. They tolerate low light better than most herbs. 6. Thyme. Thyme loves bright windowsills and dries out fast, which is perfect indoors. It prefers light soil and doesn't like being watered too often. Plus, indoor thyme keeps its strong aroma longer. 7. Oregano. Oregano grows compact in pots and does great indoors because it doesn't need too much attention. It enjoys bright light but handles partial shade too. Regular trimming keeps its flavor sharp. 8. Rosemary. Rosemary likes strong light and good airflow, but it adapts well indoors if you don't overwater it. Let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Indoor rosemary releases a beautiful scent when brushed. 9. Sage. Surprisingly good in containers. It prefers a sunny spot but can still grow indoors with 4 to 6 hours of indirect light. Pinch the tips often to keep it from getting woody. 10. Dill. Dill grows fast indoors, especially under a bright window. It has delicate roots, so avoid repotting too often. Harvest the leaves early for the best flavor. Indoors, dill doesn't blow over in the wind like it does outside. 11. Lemongrass. Lemongrass adapts well to indoor pots as long as it gets bright indirect sun. It grows like a fountain and you can trim the stalks as needed. Its fresh scent also helps repel insects. 12. Lemon balm. Lemon balm loves mild indoor light and cooler rooms. It grows quickly and has a calming citrus scent. Just keep it trimmed so it doesn't become leggy. 13. Stevia. Stevia is a great indoor herb because it loves consistent warmth. It has sweet leaves often used as a sugar substitute. Indoors, it stays tender and doesn't get sunburned like in outdoor heat waves. 14. Tarragon. French tarragon is perfect for containers and grows best indoors where the temperature stays stable. It enjoys bright indirect light and light watering. Its anise-like flavor is stronger in indoor-grown plants. 15. Bay laurel. Bay is actually a small tree, but it grows slowly and fits well in pots. Indoors, it avoids pests that often attack it outside. You can harvest mature leaves every few weeks for cooking. Extra tips. Rotate your herb pots every week so they grow evenly toward the light. Water less often indoors. Most herbs hate sitting in soggy soil. Use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Harvest a little at a time. This encourages fresh, new growth. If your home is dark, a small LED grow light can keep herbs healthy year-round. If this list helped you, give the video a like, it really supports the channel. Tell me in the comments, which herb are you excited to grow indoors? And don't forget to subscribe for more easy gardening tips and home growing ideas. Happy indoor gardening!